Baba Amte, the heart that healed millions. Welcome, everyone. Welcome to another motivational session. And today's hero is Baba Amte. In the world often blinded by fear and stigma, one man chose to see only the light within. Murlidhar Devidas Amte, lovingly known as Baba Amte, was not just a social activist. He was a beacon of hope for thousands. Born into privilege, Baba Amte gave it all away, his comforts, his ease, to walk alongside those whom society had cast aside. At a time when leprosy was feared and misunderstood, he looked beyond the disease to the human being to the human being bereaved with patience and love. Baba Amte built homes where the rejected found family. He turned isolation into community, fear into dignity, and despair into hope. Anandwan, the forest of joy, was his dream realized, a place where everyone is valued, everyone belongs. His work wasn't charity, it was a revolution. Baba Amte showed us that true service is not about giving what is left over. It is about giving your heart, your time, your soul. He taught us that compassion has a power to heal wounds when medicine fails. In a world that often measures success by wealth and fame, Baba Amte measured it by lives that needs to be transferred. He lived by one simple truth. The greatest gift we can give is to serve humanity with love and humility. So when you are facing challenges and when the world seems cold, remember Baba Amte. Remember that one person's kindness can ripple into tide of change. Be the light. Be the light of heals, the voice that comforts, the hand that uplifts. Baba Amte, legacy of love, courage, and compassion. Goodbye for now. Thank you for listening. See you in another session.